Kasama po natin ngayon ang isa sa mga Olympians natin from swimming. Miss, siyempre, Jasmine Alcardi. Magandang gabi. Welcome to Sports Corner.
Good evening.
Okay, Jas, what can you say about this special recognition
Ang
na
laki niya.
sobrang laki?
Ang laki niya.
Pero of course, napakahalaga ito para sa iyo, siyempre.
Of course, I think it's super overwhelming and nakakalaki ng puso to be recognized for all the hard work na basically I have been put all my life in this sport. So to be recognized, and they put both Olympics. So I'm very happy to receive this award.
And of course, looking forward nga sa inyong Swimming with Olympians. What's the latest sa Swimming with Olympians natin?
Marami kaming pupuntahan this year sa Clark next month for developmental and grassroots swimmers. Tapos sa Puerto Princesa in March. Hindi ko pa alam saan kami in the coming months, but hopefully marami kaming mapuntahang iba-ibang province and cities sa Philippines.
And how's your performance nga pala throughout your 2024 season?
Okay lang naman. I'm happy with it.
Okay, so your final message na lang kasi may ibang reporter sa mag-report. So, final message and of course, shoutouts na po.
Thank you for supporting the Filipino athletes. We appreciate all the support. Mabuhay ang atletang Pilipino.
Alright, thank you so much, Jasmine.
Thank you.
See, usap tayo soon. Thank you.
Bye.